Good morning, students. In today's session, we are going to learn file management. That is the last function of OS, that is operating system ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. So, file management, functions of file, that is operating system ಒಳಗಡೆ first function is process management. The first function is process management. What do you mean by the process management? When a program comes to the execution, that is called as the process. To putting it into the processor, the fetching out and deleting it from the memory and allocating it to the memory, placing it into the memory, ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ, that is known as a management. That is known as a management. After that, memory management, we had a discussion. What do you mean by the memory? To place the processes, to place the data, to place the information, the memory, the computer memory is used. Who is going to put the data? Who is going to process the data? Who is going to place the data? That is nothing but your operating system. So it is called as manager of memory. That is memory management. After that, we had a discussion about CPU scheduling. One CPU is present among several processes. One CPU is present among several processes. Then that CPU is scheduled among various processes. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ, ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. As you know that 5 lecturers can share one classroom for 1 hour. CPU, that is classroom, is scheduled. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ in the previous session. Now also discussed IO device management. IO device management, we had a discussion. Okay, so which process is using which output device, or which process is required which input device, or which kind of information is came from which input device. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲೋಕೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ, ಯಾವ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲೋಕೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ, ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ you need to note down. That is a track. Wait for a while. So having a discussion, which input device is allocated to which, or which output device is allocated to which process. We had a discussion. Now, what do you mean by the file management, sir? What do you mean by the file management? Let us have a look. File in the sense, it may be anything. If you are having song, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ MP3 ಫೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. MP3 ಫೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. If you are having a notes, Word file, or else PDF file. If you are having a video, MP4 or MP4 file. Information which is gathered in a particular format, that is a file. File ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಈಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, MP3 ಫೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಿ. MP3 file. Okay, I will explain how OS is going to manage a file. We'll have a discussion how the OS is going to manage the file. Let me have a look. So let us have example. Assume your user is going to play some song. You are going to play some song, that is Kannada song. What you are going to do now? ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸಾಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ you are going to click. Have you getting? My voice is audible to you? Are you getting the session? Whether my voice is audible to you, raise your hand. Okay, we are discussing about the file management. Your song, your folder, your notes, that all are the files. That all are the files. Already session is started. Okay, sorry for the interruption. The user is going to click on one song. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ನಡ song ಮೇಲೆ click ಮಾಡಿದ. ಅದು he pressed on the song. That song is now going to process. That song is now going to process. A file is created now. A file is created now. So what is the work of OS now? Creating file. After creating it, the file is loaded on the memory. The file is loaded on the memory. File create ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ it is loaded on the memory. After the memory, it will be going for process. ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿರ್ತದ file. ಯಾರು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ OS. Creating a file, processing a file, that is manipulating ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಮೆಮೊರಿಗೆ ಒಯ್ಯುವುದು, ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡೋದು, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸರಿಗೆ ಒಯ್ಯುವುದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡುವುದು. ಇವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ ನಾನು? ಮ್ಯಾನಿಪುಲೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ? ಮ್ಯಾನಿಪುಲೇಟ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನಿಪುಲೇಷನ್. That is called as manipulation. Creating a file, manipulating a file. After the work completes, deleting the file. After work completes, deleting the file. From where? From the memory. That is file management. That is file management. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? OS ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? OS ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Creation of a file, deletion of a file, manipulating a file, reading a file. Read ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ? Read ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದಲ್ರಿ? ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Writing the file, printing the file. Write ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Print. Read ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Reading the file, writing the file, creation of file, deletion of file. These all are the options. That is the operations. These all are the operations which are done by the OS, which are done with the help of OS. I hope it is clear. File management is clear. Whether it is clear, raise your hands. Well, down your hands. Before concluding this session, that is functions of OS. Before concluding this session, we'll recall the things. We'll recall the things. First, we had a discussion about the process management. As you know, that program is called as a process when it is loaded into the memory. After that, we had a discussion about memory management. We had a discussion about memory management. That is, the process is allocated and deallocated in the memory. By the size, how the memory is erased, with whom, with the help of whom it is erased, OS. Next, CPU scheduling, IO management. At last, At last, the file management. At last, the file management. Okay. Before going to the conclusion, I am going to ask you that whether any doubt is there. The functions of OS is concluded. Okay. I hope it is all clear to you. Let me discuss a new topic. It is very important topic. It is very important topic. Functions of operating system is asked for examination many times. Okay. The next topic is types of operating system. That is types of operating system. This is asked for 10 marks. Types of OS. Down your hands. This is asked for 10 marks question. Types of operating system. What is the type of operating system? Okay. Types anta bandaga operating system ne, the OS itself. Operating system is categorized. In martara, divide martara. What we are going to do? What we are going to do? Dividing the operating system. Dividing the operating system. Or else in the well furnished language we are going to tell it as what do we call? Types of operating system. Categorization of operating system. Types. How we are going to see this is this type? Something we'll have a discussion. Types of operating system. Operating system, correct ada? Okay. Correct adari. Next. Illodre, one day thing now categorize ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Assume that if you take a train, what it is? Train. Railway. Train. We are going to types of a trains are there. 3 types of a trains are there. One is passenger, one is express, another one is goods. There are 3 types of a train. How we are going to categorize that? The one who carries the passenger, it is called as passenger train. Okay. One second. Well, types of operating system I am discussing. There are types of a trains. 3 types of a train. One is passenger, another one is goods, one is the express. How you are categorizing? The one who carries the passenger. Adrolagade 2 categories martivi. One is the express, another one is the passenger train. Okay. 2 trains are carrying the passenger only, but small difference is there. Express is going to stop some stations, only few stations. The passenger is going to stop every station. Okay. What about the goods? The goods train is carrying the goods itself. That's why it is called as a goods train. Operating system. The same thing, the same work is done by the operating system, but in different environments. We are categorizing the types. How, sir? We'll go step by step. Let us have a look. One OS is there. One operating system One operating system is there. Some users are there. What? Users. The operating system is present here. The users are here. Naturally, the operating system is here. The users are here. Now, what these users are going to do? Assume that he is going to write a plus b operation. He want a into b operation. What? User 1 and 4 want arithmetic operations. What? Getting or not? I think it is getting. Simple thing other is. Illond operating system other. Illondistu users other. Okay, the users are here. These two users want arithmetic operations. These two are work on operating, that is arithmetic operators. He want to print AK and he want to print RK. He want to print AK and he want to print RK. See here, he want to print information. These two want arithmetic operations. Am I right? Am I right? I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Here it is the OS is present. Here there are four users are there. 1 and 4 want to arithmetic operation. 2 and 3 want to have a print. Have to print. Have you got this? Have you got this? Raise your hand. Have you got this? Raise your hand. Yes. Yes. If you got this, what I'm going to do now. So, in Marker users, what they are going to do now, he will write this code. He will write this code on one punch card. He is going to write on one punch card. Do you know about a punch card or not? Do you know about a punch card or not? If you know about a punch card, raise your hand. Do you know about a punch card? Punch card. Computer fundamentals ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರ. Yes. ಅಂತ punch cards ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ punches ಇರ್ತಾವ. As if your ATM card is there, that ATM card is having some golden color chip. Like that, a card is there that is called as a punch card. The user is going to punch. Punch andra what do we call? Pressing. Okay, punch like this. He is going to punch like this. Okay, it is called as a punch card. You want punch card barda? You want punch card barda? These two are going to write a punch card. See here. User 1, user 2 want to arithmetic operation. User 2 and 3 want to make a print. Now, this process will be carried out by this OS. This process will be carried out by this OS. ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಇರ್ತಾನ ಆಪರೇಟರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಇವನಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಂದ್ರ ಯೂಸರ್ 1 ಬಂದು ಈ ಪಂಚ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಯೂಸರ್ 2 ಬಂದು ಈ ಪಂಚ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಯೂಸರ್ 3 ಬಂದು ಈ ಪಂಚ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಯೂಸರ್ 4 is going to hand over this punch card. Have you clear? Have you clear? See here, 4 users are there. They want to prefer for different kind of a work. That work is punched on the punch card. Other male punch ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. That punch card are handled by the handled to operator. What this operator is going to do now? He is going to make the batch. He is going to make the batch. Batch ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತ್ರಿ, ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Girls batch and boys batch. The similar kind of entities are made as a batch. Girls batch contains a girl. Boys batch contains a boys. Like this, similarity ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ cards ಅನ್ನ batch ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾನೆ. Similarity ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ cards ಅನ್ನ batch ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾನೆ. Those who are having a similarities, This card is want to arithmetic operation. This card want arithmetic operation. Two arithmetic operations are there. What I am going to do now? I will batch it as a arithmetic. I will batch it as a arithmetic. To want to print. To want to print. So now we are going to make it as a print batch. Are you getting? Are you getting? Raise your hands. Are you getting? Raise your hands. Well, arithmetic and print. Idu batch 1, idu batch 2. After making the batches, what he is going to do? He is going to insert the batch V1 and he is going to insert the V2. V1 and V2. Yell insert ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ ಈ machine ಒಳಗಡೆ where the OS is present. This machine where the OS is present. What this OS is going to do? It is going to access the first batch. First batch ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋತೈತಿ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅದ? ಎರಡು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. One is arithmetic A plus B and the other one is A to B. ಎರಡು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Am I right? Again it is going to return the values. Next B2. Batch 2 ಒಳಗೆ ಏನದಾವ? He want to print RK and he want to print AK. ಎರಡೂನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ? ತಗೊಂಡು ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತದ. ನೀವೇ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್? ಯೂಸರ್ information is collected through the operator. Operator is going to make a batches. Form in according to the information. Then those batches are going to be inserted in the operating system. Operating system is going to carry that batches. Batch wise it is going to work. Then that type of operating system is known as batch operating system. This kind of operating system is known as batch operating system. Have you got the batch operating system? Have you got the batch operating system? Raise your hand. Clear it is. Well. So now, once again, I am going to repeat it. This type of operating system is known as batch operating system. This type of operating system is known as batch operating system. The user is going to print his information. On some punch card like input devices. Punch card ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ. Punch card type ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು input devices ಬರ್ತಾವ. He is going to print his or he is going to provide his data on punch card like objects. Things. These punch cards are collected by some operator. These punches are collected by the operator. Then operator is going to make a batches according to the work. If it is arithmetic, he is going to insert that batch as arithmetic. If you want to print, then batch 2 is made like this. This are going to make batches. Then batches are going to insert here. Then operating system is going to fetch that batch. Then it is going to provide for processor. After process, it is going to display. Okay, it is the explanation of batch operating system. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Batch operating system ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. My question is that to you people, whether batch operating system is worthful to you? Down your hands. Worthful to you? No, it is not worthful. Sometimes it makes some disadvantages. Sumit, down your hands. What are those disadvantages? ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದ್ವಿ. ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದ್ವಿ. It is having some disadvantages. It is having some disadvantages. What are those disadvantages? What are those disadvantages? One is whether it is visible, raise your hand. Ikkada barda ಕಾಣ್ತದ್ರಿ? Okay. ಕಾಣ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? Yes. The disadvantage, lack of interaction, ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ದವ್ರು ಯಾರು? A plus B ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ದವ್ರು ಯಾರು? ಯೂಸರ್ 1. A plus B instruction is written by user 1. Am I right? User 1 A plus B ಬರ್ದಾನ್ರಿ. That punch card is hand over to whom? Operator. So can user directly interacting with the operating system? Can directly the user is going to upload the card? No. There is a middle layer. Operator is there. Some operators are there. Avaru ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? They are going to make a batches. If any mistake happens, if any confusions happens, if any error comes, there is a lack of interaction between user and OS. That is a system. Directly connected ಇಲ್ಲ. Lack of interaction ಅದ. Lack ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Interaction is less ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ನೀ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ? ಎರರ್ ಬಂದತಿ, ಇವ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ? ಯಾವ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ನಾಗ ಬಂದತಿ? B1 ಒಳಗ್ ಬಂದತಿ. ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ 1 ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರ ವಸ್ತುದ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಈ ತರ ಎರರ್ ಬಂದೈತೆ ಅಂತ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ he is going to produce like this. Have you got? Lack of interaction is clear. User ಮತ್ತು ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನಡುವರ್ಕ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. That is the disadvantage. Have you clear? Raise your hands fast. Lack of interaction. Yes. Second one, very interesting word, and operating system ಮುಗಿತನ ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ. That is CPU idle time. CPU idle time. Idle in the sense ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಕೊಡುದು. The processor is on, but it is not having a work at particular time. Hang antandra, I'm a lecturer. I'm having continuous classes. In one day, I'm not having any classes. Na ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಅವಾಗ? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಳಂಗೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡೇ ಏನದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ಐಡಲ್ ಡೇ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ. ನಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ತರದ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಐಡಲ್ ಡೇ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗೆ CPU ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೆಲಸ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಖಾಲಿ ಕೂತಿರ್ತದ. ಆ ಖಾಲಿ ಕೂತಿದ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಐಡಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Whenever the CPU sits for without work, that is called as idle time. ಏನ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐಡಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಯಾರೇ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಿಮ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. There is no work for 2 minutes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ 2 minutes. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? CPU ಚಾಲೂ ಇರ್ತದ, CPU ಇರ್ತದ, ಆನೇ ಇರ್ತದ, ಬಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲಸ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. OS ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. OS ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾಚೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, CPU ಏನ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ಈ 2 minutes ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಐಡಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ CPU. ಸೊ ಇಂಥವು ಬಹಳ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಇಂಥವೇನಾಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ? ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಒಳಗ ಐಡಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೇ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್. CPU ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ಐಡಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಉಳಿತದ, ಎಂಟಿ ಉಳಿತದ. ಆ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಐಡಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎರಡು ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗ? ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, CPU ಐಡಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಉಳಿತದ. ಎರಡು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆದವ್ರಿ? ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? Okay, well, the session is going to end within a 2 minutes itself. Okay, within a 2 minutes the session is going to end. Sorry for the interactions in between. I had interactions. Okay, let me take another look. Idನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ look ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. Next, there are 5 types of operating systems. We completed one type of operating system, that is a batch operating system. It is having a lack of interaction and CPU idle time. ಈ ಎರಡು ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಓವರ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಎರಡು ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಓವರ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಎರಡು ಐಡಲ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಎರಡೂನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್? ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್? ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ, we need to communicate directly. CPU idle ಉಳಿಯಕತ್ತದ, we have to make something. ಸೊ ಆ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಬಂತು. ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ಏನದು? ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಲುಕ್. ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರ, ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಡೇಟಾನ ಬರೀತಿರ್ತಾರ ಅಥವಾ ಡೇಟಾ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತದ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಡೇಟಾನ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. ದಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಟು some operator. That operator is going to make batch, then that batches will be inserted to the operating, that is system which contains the operating system. Then the operating system is going to fetch the batch informations produced to CPU, that is due to the CPU. Then it is processed. After that process will get output. This type of operating system is called as a batch operating system because it works on batches. It is having a two disadvantages. One is a lack of interaction, another one is CPU idle time. Lack of interaction in the sense user not directly communicating with the operating system or a system. Sometimes if user not provide some data, ಯಾವುದೇ ಡೇಟಾನ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ sometimes, some for minutes, 2 minutes or 3 minutes, the CPU may get idle. This is what a disadvantages. I hope today's session is clear to you people. Is it clear?